Hi everyone, today is the Hire's Mad Lab.
Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy Bowman and I'm really pleased to be here today on Hire's Mad Lab.
Today, we'll bring everybody to experience the Formula Hire, which is driven by a direct drive washing machine motor.
The car is the first time I've made an electric washing machine car, the first time using an electric washing machine motor. At first I was a little bit worried, but it's come together and it looks really marvellous. The kinetic energy of Hire's direct drive motor is very, very good. The motor can deliver up to 45 Newton meters of torque, which is very impressive for its size and its weight. It's also quiet and produces very little heat output, which is really important for the efficiency of electric vehicles.
Well, Hire's Mad Lab has come to an end. See you next time!